Make way for meaning, understanding, move over. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase you've probably heard in movies, on buses, or even in casual conversation. The phrase is, move over. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, how to use it, and we'll also look at some examples. So, let's get started. When we hear, move over, it is often a straightforward request. It means to physically shift your position to make space for someone else. Imagine sitting on a crowded bench. If someone says, "Could you move over a bit?" they're asking you to scoot along to make room for them to sit down. This phrase is all about sharing space and being considerate of others who might need a spot. Now, let's go beyond the literal meaning. Move over can also be used metaphorically. In a broader context, it means to make room for new ideas or changes. For example, when a new trend becomes popular, we might say the old trend needs to move over. It's a playful way to acknowledge change and progression in various aspects of life, from technology to fashion. This phrase can be both a command or a polite request. The tone of your voice is key here. If said sternly, "Move over," can be an authoritative command, perhaps used in emergency situations or when someone is blocking the way. But, if said with a gentle voice, it becomes a polite request for cooperation. It's all about how you say it. It's important to remember that in some cultures, direct commands can be seen as rude or too forward. So, when using move over in English-speaking countries, it's usually best to soften it with please or could you, especially if you're speaking to strangers or in a formal setting. This small addition shows respect and courtesy, turning a command into a polite request. Move over is a versatile phrase that helps us navigate both physical spaces and social situations. Whether you're asking someone to scoot over on a bench or signaling that it's time for a change, this phrase is a useful addition to your English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has made the concept clear and easy to use in your everyday conversations. Keep practicing, and move over any doubts. You're becoming an English language pro. See you in the next video.